い、こんにちは。ゆかです。日本から来ました。Do you get it? And that was, I come from Japan, but I live in Kenya. I've lived in Kenya since 2010, and I'm part of HIKARI School of Music. I teach instruments and I also teach Japanese. So today I'm bringing you basic Japanese course. So, in today's lesson, I want us to talk about the numbers in Japanese, okay? So, in any language, it's very important to learn numbers because they keep coming up one time or the other, and if you don't get the number, you will be left out of that crucial information. So, and it's very easy, it's not hard in Japanese. So, let's start. So, one is ichi, and two is ni, and three is san, and four can be Yawn or shi. So it depends on the situation where the number four is used. We interchange Yawn and shi, but for the time being, you can just do with Yawn, or you can also remember it can be sometimes she. And incidentally, she also in Japanese means death. So like in the hospitals, we don't like using like the number four, number four room, the room number that involves number four because it implies death. That's funny. So, and then 5 is go. Then Roku is number 6. Shichi, Hachi, and Kyuu or Ku. Just like 4 had 2 names. 9 is Kyuu or Ku. And then Ju. So the beginning part I think is easy, like like it sounds like English words somehow, like ichi, like you're eating something, and ni is your body part, the knee. Sun, the sun in the sky. Ichi ni san. She, like he and she, or Yawn. And then go, let's go, go. And then rock, like the rock guitar or the rock that you can find on the road, rock. Okay, and then I reached up there and I gave up because I couldn't think of an English word that is like shichi. Maybe if you know anything, you can let me know. And shichi, hachi, then Kyuu, like queuing in the store, and then Ju. Okay, in Kiswahili, Ju means up, Ju. So if you're a Kiswahili speaker or if you come from Kenya or Tanzania, you can say that it's Ju. Well, so now that you have known the words for counting, you can start saying the time. And you just say, for us to say the time, you just simply add G. Now G means hour or time. So if I say ichiji, that's 1 o'clock. Niji, sanji. Now 4 o'clock, instead of saying yonji or shiji, we say yoji. Yoji. So that's a bit complicated. Remember the next one was go. So goji, rokuji, shichiji, hachiji. And instead of saying kyuji, you say kuji. Kuji. Then it was juji. Ichiji, niji, sanji, yoji, goji, rokuji, 7時、8時、9時、10時. And now 11 o'clock, you just say 10 and 1. 11時. 12 o'clock, you say 12時. Very easy. Let me just add one more thing. If you want to say half past, you say han. Han. Han is half, like han. Okay, so 1:30 it would be 1時 半。2:30 will be 2時半。3:30 will be 3時半 and so on. It's very, very easy and thank you for staying with me. This was Yuka from HIKARI School of Music and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye!